Rochester Institute of Technology, RIT, in New York State, is one of the most renowned research, education, and advisory institutions in the United States. Its Center for Electronics Manufacturing and Assembly, CEMA, is the home of the next generation of designers, engineers, process and manufacturing experts. Within the global SMT Smart Network, the RIT plays a special role. Based on a close cooperation with technology leader ASM, RIT is developing new process technologies, and young talents are being trained on state-of-the-art equipment and smart software solutions for future tasks in the smart SMT factory.
Having this new state-of-the-art equipment here from ASM really has enabled a lot of different technologies. It's something that as a university we're really excited about. How often can a university actually have access to incredible equipment that can enable the latest and greatest of types of components or devices that are being used in the electronics industry? And not only that, also having our students have access to these pieces of equipment. And if we didn't have the ASM equipment, we really wouldn't be able to do a lot of things that we do today.
Working in the CEMA lab as a student has gotten me involved with plenty of subject matter experts in the industry of electronics manufacturing. As a graduate, I'm going to be taking a lot of that experience with me and applying it into my new jobs and new research fields and really spreading that knowledge as well.
At RIT, we have a co-op program where our students actually go out into industry and experience real-world jobs and real-world challenges. Then they come back to RIT and then apply that knowledge that they learn in industry and then augment it by actually having maybe in some cases equipment here at RIT that even exceeds what they may have been using in the field because of the partnership that we have with ASM. The next part of that is that these students then will go out and really have incredible knowledge that they will be very marketable within the industry and be able to go basically wherever they want to go and write their own ticket.
So the benefits of having the equipment in this facility are numerous. One being that it's a dedicated research laboratory where we don't have to compete with people that are doing production, which is typical of work that we may want to do on a customer site. We don't have to worry about that here.
So part of what we can do here at CEMA Lab is also do reliability assessment. Too often when people do reliability testing, they just test a failure and they don't quite understand what the failure mode is. By actually having event detection and isolation and cross-sectioning, we can very accurately determine what the failure modes are and tie it into what that particular component may have seen through the assembly process. Varying some of those variables such as temperature of reflow, placement pressures or locations, the amount of solder paste that you're putting on the board, and doing the proper analysis to understand what effect these manufacturing SMT processes have.
And we have been extremely lucky in not only having the equipment here in place, but also for ASM to station an engineer is so unique that our students will have the ability to learn from industry pros so they can be better engineers when they go into this industry. And it has also given us opportunities for bringing other companies to interact with this engineer and learn from it so they can be better in their own processes and the way they do things. This is going to be unique, and this is going to be something that is going to have a lot of opportunities for the future.